Here's the result I got on Contest of Champion, guys. All you need to do to get this result is follow the instructions that I will show you in today's video. It is super simple to get it, so make sure you stay tuned until the rest of the video to get this result on your app. So let's begin. Hello there everyone, welcome back to another one of my videos. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this Contest of Champions hack and mod for both iOS and Android devices that will allow you to get tons of gold within the game. So if you want to get this modded version of Contest of Champions, you're in the right spot because I'm going to be leading you through all of the steps and showing you how you can get unlimited gold in Contest of Champions. So without further ado, let's begin. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and let's start with the process. The first thing that we want to do is head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and check if Contest of Champions needs any updates. So what you want to do is write the name of the app in your App Store or Google Play Store and check if on the side it says open or update. If it says update, make sure you update the app, and if it says open, you're good to go and you can continue with the steps. Now let me show you the next step that we'll be doing. For Android users, the next step only requires you to go ahead and switch off your battery saver mode and make sure you have it switched off until the rest of the process is done. For iOS users, it requires you to go to your settings app, then go to general, background app refresh, then again background app refresh, and switch it on for Wi-Fi and mobile data. Once you switch it on like this, you'll be good to go. However, if you're disabled on this page right here, what you want to do is head over back to your battery settings and switch off that low power mod option. Make sure you switch off your low power mod until the rest of the process is done. And then once you're done switching off your low power mod, don't forget to go back to your background app refresh one and set it as we said previously. Now guys, let's go ahead and head over to the next step, which includes opening our browsers. And you're allowed to use any browser that you want to. This goes for both iOS and Android users. Go ahead and open your browsers and go to this website right here. Once you're on this website, guys, what you want to do is either search through the apps or what you want to do is search through the search bar to try to find Marvel Contest of Champions right here. And then once you're done finding it, tap on it. You can see the rating right there. You can see the file size, how many times it has been downloaded. Also, you can see the description right there. And the little button that you need to tap on is right there. So make sure you tap on it and the downloading process will begin. It's a super simple, easy, quick process that doesn't take a lot of your time. And I'm going to start explaining to you the last step right now. And I might speed up the process since it's so easy to complete. What you need to do on here, guys, is either download 2 apps or complete 2 surveys from the list below and follow the instructions for each one. I'm going to be leading you through the whole process. Make sure you follow them. You see the description right here. You can follow the instructions from them there as well. You don't need to follow the steps with me. So guys, let's find 2 apps that we can get. For example, this one requires us to download and install the app, then run it for 30 seconds. Tap on it, tap to install, and then let it redirect you to your official App Store, Google Play Store, where you can get the app you wanted. All the apps are from official publishers and free to download, so you have nothing to worry about. Once you get the first one, go ahead and find the next one. For example, this one right here, go ahead and reach player level 5. Once you download the app, go ahead and tap on it. It will redirect you to the app where you can get it, complete player level 5, and then you'll be good to go. You'll see the result that you saw on my Marvel Contest of Champions on yours as well. However, let me explain to you, if you choose the option of completing surveys, how you complete them. For example, you choose any survey you want to get, tap on it, and then let it redirect you to the survey where you can complete the steps on the survey, guys, and then go ahead and provide them with any information they require from you. Once you're done completing this step, go ahead and go back to the website, choose the next survey, and then complete the next survey as well by providing them with some of your information. And then also what you want to do is complete the steps like you did in the previous one, and that is it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying Contest of Champions by now. I know that I will be once I'm done recording this video. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on that bell notification button so you get an update every time I upload an amazing video like this. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Cheers!